Do you know that to get a unit right now in the heart of Sangotedo Ajah, you need to have minimum of 60 million naira all the way down to 150 million naira? Now, what if I tell you that with a 35 million naira land, you can also make as an investor, because I know that you surely want to make a high return on investment. Now I have a good laid out plan for you right now. With a 35 million naira land, you can make over 150 million naira in the real estate industry. Now, if you can wait to the end of this video, you will be getting a detailed information on how to go about this. I'm Oluwaseun Elijah Victor by name, the lead consultant of Update Homes and Properties. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel before, probably this is the first time you are stumbling on our video, please do so right now and click on the subscribe button and also put on the notification bell. Now, back to basics. How to make over 150 million with a 35 million naira land. We have this estate called the Peak Luxury Estate, which with 35 million naira you can get a full land size, which is 600 square meter. Now, with this 600 square meter, you can build comfortably a spacious 3 units of 4-bedroom terrace duplex. I repeat, a spacious 3 units of 4-bedroom terrace duplex. Now, in the heart of Sangotedo Ajah, to get a 4-bedroom terrace duplex, it goes for 60 million naira upward, 70 million naira, 80 million naira, 100 million naira, depending on how luxurious this property looks like. Now, let's work with 60 or 70 million naira. Let's work 70 million naira right now. Now, you build 3 units of 4-bedroom terrace duplex, and don't forget, I said this 35 million naira land, it's a 600 square meter. Now, each unit goes for 70 million naira. Multiply 70 million naira by 3. That's a whopping 210 million naira. Now, guess what? To build these 3 units, it will take you about, let's say, 30 million naira per unit. Make it look very luxurious. That's 90 million naira. Now, add 90 million naira to the 35 million naira land. That is 125 million naira. Then minus 125 million naira land from the 210. That is a whopping return on investment. That is the profit we're making right here. This is one information you won't get from another channel, because these are ways whereby investors, developers make money. You don't have to say, oh, you don't know about buildings, you don't have to develop. All you need to do is contact a builder, a developer, or someone you know that's into real estate, and tell them to help you build. Let them give you a quotation, and if you want to know more about that, you can always reach out to us, because we also do buildings as well. Now, let's talk about the estate in general. This estate, it's called Peak Luxury Estate, located in the heart of Sangotedo Ajah, just behind the popular ShopRite. This is a location whereby we have houses, we have land, we have it's fully developed. It's a location whereby we have hospitals, we have malls, we have schools. You don't want to miss out on this deal. This particular estate has C of O, as its title document. Now, this price for this land is still below the market value. The reason being that we have land selling for over 50 million naira right now in this same location. We have land selling for 60 million naira in this same location. Now, guess what? We are also doing something whereby other lands are not doing right now. Now, if you have the old 35 million naira to key down, all you need to do is put a deposit of 10%, which is 3.5 million naira, and you can spread the balance for 12 months without interest, or 24 months with little interest. That is, if you are doing from 13 months upward, you have to pay a little interest. But if you are doing from 0 months to 12 months, you don't have to pay any interest at all. That is, you will pay 35 million naira, which is easy. Now, imagine you buy 2 plots, imagine you buy 3 plots. You can now pay and spread your payment instrumentally for 12 months without interest, which is good. Now, everyone can own a plot of land in the heart of Sangotedo with ease. You don't need to break the bank. We have amazing features for you, and as you can see, this is our estate gatehouse already standing. This is our banner already standing. This is the 5-a-side football pitch also already standing right now. As you can see, work is ongoing, our bricks is ongoing, the estate road network is also ongoing as well. Our lawn tennis court as well is standing. People are buying. You can see the road network for all the way from the express down to site is also hard. So you don't want to miss out on this deal. What you want to do right now is give us a call number on your screen, and trust me, the process is seamless. Come for inspection. You can come physically, we can have a virtual inspection with you on this estate, on the same land. What you need to do right now is click on the WhatsApp link in the comment section or call this number on your screen, and we'll be glad to bring you down here for inspection. Remember, I help all clients both home and abroad key into real estate investment here in Lagos, Nigeria with ease. See you in my next video.